The ultimate Happn app review. Tutorial from zero to pro in 1 minute. If you're exploring dating apps, most people get this wrong by swiping blindly or ignoring key features. The surprising truth about Happn is that it connects you with people you've crossed paths with in real life, offering a more personalized dating experience. First, download the app and create an account. You won't believe how many users skip profile setup. Add photos, a bio, and interest to increase your chances of meaningful matches. Next, explore the timeline feature. Most people get this wrong by only checking new profiles. Happn shows users you physically cross paths with, creating unique opportunities for real-world connections. Check premium features. The surprising truth is that optional boosts or charms can increase visibility and interaction. While free use is effective, knowing the premium tools helps you decide if it's worth investing. Interact safely. You won't believe how easily people overlook safety. Happn offers chat and connection options when keeping location private, so you can communicate without sharing personal data. In conclusion, Happn can take you from zero to pro in online dating. By setting up a complete profile, exploring timeline features, considering optional tools, and prioritizing safety, you can meet potential matches nearby while enjoying a secure and engaging dating experience.